Hello everyone, today we will create a new website with GitHub Copilot. So I don't know anything, I don't know coding, we won't write any code with manually. So we will try the GitHub Copilot. I open it VS Code now, and this is GitHub Copilot icon. Let's click, and this is chat area. If you want to talk something about with GitHub Copilot, you can talk, but chat mode doesn't implement anything. This is edit with Copilot. We will use this because we want to prepare a new website, so we have to use this. And let's open our terminal. Okay, now we will create a new crypto token landing page because I thought it's looking simple. It's gonna be a one page and it's gonna be static website. We don't have any membership, we don't upload any video or photograph. We will just create a landing page. Let's start. Okay, this is not real. We will just create something. Hello, I want to create a new crypto token landing page, and it will be static website. My token name is banana. Yeah, banana. It's looking funny. As you can see, there is no HTML, CSS or JavaScript because GitHub Copilot will do this. Okay, my token name is banana. I want some animations and impressive UI. Also, website should be mobile responsive. Okay, we started. Now GitHub Copilot generating some files, and as you can see, there's still no any file, but yeah, it implements index.html. But okay, generating edits. Copilot's writing some stuff. We're still waiting. I will be creating studying banana with names. Yeah. Wow. Banana token, the future of crypto. Banana token, no amount economic roadmap. Welcome to banana token. You see, within 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute, it wrote everything. I didn't write anything. See, most appealing in the market, secure, fast, community. Wow. Yeah. Also styles.css. Wow. And script.js. Okay. I won't check anything. I will just accept. Now let's go live. Yeah. Wow. Banana token. Home. About banana token, secure, fast, community, tokenomics. Plating, burned, roadmap. It's looking still cute. And Twitter, this Telegram, Discord. Wow. Home, about token, roadmap. It's looking really great. And maybe we can add something by now, but it's not real. So it's not working. Okay, maybe we can add some stuff, but let's check it. Is it really responsive? Okay, actually it's not looking so responsive. Let's it is looking not responsive. Can you check it again? And also, can you create a contact form? Maybe contact, maybe. And also, can you add some more animation for my cursor? It's for my mouse. Yeah. No, actually it's enough. I liked, but let's improve. As you can see, I just wrote one prompt, and it's great. It's looking good. Contact us, but probably, yeah, style.css. It's still generating, so it's gonna be changed. Let's wait. It's really fast. By the way, I'm using Cloud Sonnet, and if you want, you can change here, but I prefer Cloud Sonnet. Looking good. Let's wait. It's still generating some code. Fix responsive issues. Add a contact form, add cursor animation, update your screen form. And this means 18 lines added. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 18. And this means 123 line added and 2 line removed. And this is okay. Let's accept and refresh. Wow, my cursor, you see, there's circle, and yeah, contact us, and it changed. You see, this is my roadmap, tokenomics, about banana token. Yeah, actually I liked tokenomics, roadmap. Okay, it's looking good. If you want to change some stuff with manually, maybe this is looking, yeah, but we do this, yeah, it's some simple tasks. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you guys. If you like, you can follow me, and your feedbacks matters.